In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from Shopify app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, if you're receiving a lot of notifications that are annoying, then you can just go ahead and stop them for once and for all. And this is a permanent process that I'm going to show you. Now, for this, we need to access the app information page for us to be able to turn off pop-up notifications from this Shopify app. And to do so, we can use two methods. Just go to settings here. And from settings, scroll down until you find this apps option. Now, for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Under this, look for this option called manage apps, or it might be written more apps or all apps depending on your version. Go ahead and tap on it. And then this will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Scroll down until you find Shopify. And here is mine. Alternatively, you can just go up here and search for the Shopify app. If I go ahead and tap on it, you can see we are on the app information page. Now, if getting to this page is quite tedious or it is quite complex for you, let me show you a shortcut method that you can use. For this, go back and then look for your app. And instead of tapping on it, just go ahead and long press on it. And you'll see this option called app info. If you tap on app info, it will again take you to the same page here. From this, scroll down until you see this option called notifications. And as you can see, currently notifications are turned to yes. If I tap on it, you can see we have quite a number of notifications that are on. And to turn all of them off, just go up here and then toggle this show notifications off. And now all the other notifications have been turned off. From now henceforth, you'll never again see those pop-up notifications that were coming from this Shopify app. So that's how you turn off pop-up notifications from Shopify app permanently. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.